original chef chip. We're having late night crab. Crab. OCJ. Like and subscribe. OCJ. Original Chef J. Don't you forget it. Cut up the crab. You're gonna make it small enough because we're gonna be doing a brown stew crab today. Real quick. Alright everyone, this is a late night pot session. Right now we're gonna have some crab sit down in there for a while long. And we just watched a show inspired by foul wildlife, you see me? They done them some brown stew crab and some crab and thing and that I was meant to say, right I know you know. Oh, you know what say some crab me I deal with. That me I defend you know. Ginger there. Got some garlic here, some onions here, some whole heap of pepper there. We got some Maggi all-purpose seasoning powder here. We got some salt, yeah, Himalayan salt. We have the garlic powder, you know the famous Kirkland's brand there, so. And then we have the season up all-purpose right there, so. And then we have some black pepper right there, so, right there, so. And we have some thyme. Right, that's alright, that's alright. Check it out everyone. So we have all of these ingredients tonight and we're doing a little late night saga. So I'm gonna back it up right here. So both back. So just watch what's going on here everyone. That is our crab. And I'm going to show you what we are going to do with this crab right now. We're going to take this crab and spectacularize it right there. So fling some of that first. That's some time we just sprinkle on there. About a teaspoon of thyme. About a teaspoon of some Maggi all-purpose there, so maybe a half a teaspoon of that. Then we're going to open up the season up for the very first use right here. And we're going to shake out some of this one right here. Yeah, there we go. Get it right out there. So we like it. Now we're going to get some salt on there. Not too much, because that's already got salt in it. And we're going to get some garlic on there because we're going to use real garlic too. We'll use a little powder on there, just a little. And then we take some black pepper. Alright everyone, continuing here. We're going to put some of this nice browning on this wonderful mix here. And then we're going to get our seasonings all prepared for the mixture. Alright everyone, so here we got all our seasoning that we just diced up. We added some pimentos to that and we're going to now mix them all together. We just take a cover and just get a plastic cover, any kind of cover, a dish for your thing, your container. See what it will shake. Make sure you get that shake on really nice. There you go everyone, we got them all seasoned up. Now we're going to get to the cooking time. Let that marinate for a few minutes. Alright everyone, so we're about to start the cooking. It's a late night session. About to go Get ready for my bed right after this. I felt for this after I told you I watched a video from another famous YouTuber that's doing well for my Caribbean island. I want to shout out to Fall Wildlife. Alright, so now I'm doing some Brownstew crab in my life. And we're going to drop it right now. Olive oil in this spot right here. Get that olive oil to get this spot started. We're going to get this sucker up to heat. A little bit of olive oil goes a long way. Want to throw some garlic in there. Right there, you see that OCJ? You know you see that OCJ. So as it's coming up the temperature here, see the oil slowly retreating back. We just want to simmer some garlic in it. And then we're going to drop everything in. And we're just going to cover that pot and let it cook. It won't take that long. The crab is already cooked. And we're just adding the flavors and the seasoning to bring us right back home. All I did was just bust that crab wide open so that all the flavors will get in. So when I take that crab and lay it on some nice jasmine rice tonight, it's going to be delicious, everyone. Remember, like and subscribe. This is OCJ, and I'm bringing to you a late night special tonight. I hope you appreciate this one. Like I said, this was inspired by me watching another YouTube video. Alright, everyone. Here we go. We're about to add the crab in right now after we had our garlic simmering for a second. Drop that in. Let that out, cook up for a second. I wish y'all could smell it. I smell the seafood, I smell the delicious flavors. Delicious. Let that simmer for a second. Cover it up so we don't lose the moisture. You're going to be taking this container, adding enough water for it to cook down in the crab. So you're going to go back to the sink, add some water. There you go. All that simmering in there. Get the flavors. You can smell the seafood delight in the house right now. That's so good. This crab trying to get out the pot. You saw that, guys? Alright, once we get that thing, and all of those nice flavors kicking out of it right there, you can add that water from the crab, squeeze it in, go slowly, there we go. Let that all find itself in all those flavors. Meanwhile, we can go prepare some other stuff for the cooking. As it's cooking down right there in its juices. Alright everyone, so all you gotta do now is try the potatoes and make sure they're ready. You added potatoes and carrots alone to the mix. Have those cooked. Once those are cooked, the menu is ready. It's a done deal. And that's it for it. And we're done.